Time for Sports and the Law. We welcome in our good friend Steve Moskowitz to the program once again. Hello, Steve.
Always a pleasure.
Let's get right into Charles Oakley. Really strange scene at Madison Square Garden last night. He bought a ticket sitting right behind the owner. He has a contentious relationship with James Dolan. He was yelling at him, berating him kind of. He's not happy with the direction of some of the things the Knicks are doing, specifically with him. They threw him out. Steve, I'm invoking freedom of speech here. How do you throw a guy out just for saying a few bad things to the owner?
Freedom of speech is not unlimited. So if you say you're a terrible owner, you're making all the wrong decisions, that's fine. But the allegation is he was using foul language, and this is a family sport, and he was asked to stop, he was asked to leave. He didn't stop, he didn't leave. That's when the security guards came and the altercation happened. And the allegation is he punched some guys out, assault, and that's what the New York cops have booked him on.
So they booked him on assault. They also said he was trespassing, too. And so he bought a ticket to the game. He got in there legally, bought a ticket. That was his seat, too. How do you trespass?
Absolutely entitled to be there. But when they said, stop what you're doing, get out, that's when he lost the right to be there. It's like if somebody does something improper, they could be thrown out.
We'll move on here to a New York Post columnist, Donald Trump. We always like to get Donald Trump into the program. It is good talking points. He's suing the paper because he says he made a tweet, anti-Trump. Paper fired him for that tweet. Does he have a case?
Yes and no. On the one hand, New York has a strict labor law that you cannot be fired for tweeting from your own equipment, to your own account. That's fine. However, there's going to be several arguments. One, how long was his contract? How much money are we talking about? The next thing is, because how well known he was, the company can make an argument, well, wait a minute, it would be confused. If you did something on your private tweet, it'd say, well, wait a minute, was it for the show? Was it for you privately? There could be confusion there. That's another way to deal with it.
Before I let you go, I want to talk about Donald Trump and what he could do for sports betting. A lot of people interested in this, sports betting. How could he determine the future of it?
Well, easy. Now, on the one hand, he had his own casinos in New Jersey.
Correct, yeah.
On the other hand, he said he doesn't want activist judges making law. That's the job of the Congress. So basically, when he instructs Mr. Sessions on what to do, he can say, you know what? Push New Jersey in, push New Jersey out. Right.
It's fascinating what could happen with that, and many things.
Not to mention the fact that the owner of both, Rupert Murdoch, is trying to stop the merger of AT&T and Time Warner, and he could say, look, you're harming something for business here. That would also be a big deal.
It's all intertwined. Steve Moskowitz breaking it down. As always, we could go forever.
Let's do it.